Austin, what have you done? What? Look at this. Look at this. There's puzzle pieces everywhere. Are you gonna get it? Good job. But really now, what have you done to your playmat area? It's supposed to be on the floor, not everywhere in pieces. It's supposed to be all put together. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh well, so much for that. So much for that. Is that a 6, Austin, or is it a 9? It's a 6, I guess. No, no, oh, okay, it's a 9 then. Oh, no, it's a 6. Well, you gotta make up your mind. You can't take a bite out of it. Oh my. What are you doing? Bite it right off. Take a big bite out of it. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Man, bite down hard on that. You know, Austin, it is your bedtime. I'm sorry, we're going to have to put the 6 down, or the 9, or whatever it is. That now has your teeth marks all over it. Because it's time to go up to bed. Okay, say bye-bye. Austin. Austin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Wow, what a big boy you are. Bye-bye.